Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to deal with enzyme kinetics. Enzyme kinetics means nothing but a mechanism of enzyme action. So enzyme have the active site at which place substrate will bind and form the enzyme substrate complex. So this is a transition state and substrate later converts into the product and enzyme and product will dissociate. So this enzyme reaction, yes, so the rate will takes place, the rate of reaction will increase as the enzyme, so the rate of the change is substrate constant is denoted with the K. So in the first reaction E plus S, that is enzyme substrate, they are binding together to form the enzyme substrate complex. This is a reversible reaction, so where the first constant K1 will be present and reaction to K2, that is enzyme substrate complex K2 is present. So here you can see the reaction, and rate is nothing but the speed which is denoted with the V. Okay, so rate is nothing but the speed. So rate of reaction means increasing the speed of reaction, right? So speed, of course it will increase as the speed of the product formation. So rate of change in product concentration at a t, at a time t actually, so which is denoted as, so here you can see in our equation, so V denotes the speed and t denotes the time. Yes, S is substrate, E is enzyme. So here R is nothing but a rate is nothing but a V, that is speed, is equals to D multiplies with P and D multiplies with a T, which nothing but here D is a delta. So concentration change with the time. So if the rate increases, of course substrate concentration will also, if it increases, enzyme action will also increases. So K denotes the constant here. Okay, K denotes the constant. So this enzyme kinetics was explained by Michealis-Menten equation. So let us see what is that Michealis-Menten equation. So here Km is equals to half Vmax. Km is Michealis-Menten constant. Vmax is maximum rate of enzyme can catalyze per second based upon the substrate concentration. That means which will increase as the velocity. So that's why it will become V max, maximum rate of velocity of enzyme which can catalyze the reaction per seconds. Let us see what will happen if the substrate concentration is low. So if the substrate concentration is low than the enzymes, so what happens, enzymes will bind with the substrates, but few enzymes they does not have the substrate to bind. So if the substrate concentration increases, along with that velocity will also increases. So if we plot a graph, we will get a linear curve. So if substrate concentration is normal, that is medium, that means which is equal to the enzyme, so what happens, enzymes and substrates will bind together, so no enzymes or no substrates will be there, will be left, so they all the enzymes will be saturated. So we will get then we call Vmax is equals to Km. Velocity will increases, but not a linear way. Okay, non-linear curve we will get. And next, substrate concentration, if it is high, all the enzymes are saturated and velocity will reach the maximum rate because all the enzymes are catalyzing the reaction. So at a half concentration of the substrate only, so half concentration of the substrate only, we will get the Vmax. So that's why the equation Km is equals to half Vmax, which is nothing but a Michealis-Menten constant denotes. So this is the one which explains the enzyme kinetics. So which denotes the substrate concentration half is enough to reach the Vmax. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.